In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Vercel to Supabase. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to link your Vercel projects to your Supabase workspace so your environment variables stay in sync and deployments just work. This integration is the official bridge between the two platforms, helping you avoid manual copy-paste, reduce mistakes, and keep your app configuration consistent across previews and production. First, we'll start at supabase.com. Open the site in your browser so you're on the Supabase dashboard. Make sure you're viewing the correct organization or workspace where your project lives. If you're working across multiple orgs, glance at the organization switcher to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. That way, the integration will attach to the correct resources. Next, find and click Integrations. Depending on your dashboard layout, you'll see integrations in the main navigation or within your organization settings. This opens the catalog of official add-ons and partners. Take a moment to look for the Vercel integration card. You'll recognize it by the Vercel logo and a description noting automatic environment variable management and project linking. Opening this page gives you a clear overview of what the integration will do for your account. On the Vercel integration page, click Install Vercel Integration. From here, you'll be guided through a short, secure flow. You may be asked to confirm access, select the Vercel team that should receive the integration, and choose which Vercel projects to connect. During the install, the integration prepares your environment variables, such as the Supabase project URL and public anon key, so they're available to your Vercel builds. The installer explains what will be shared and where it will be stored, keeping everything transparent. If your setup involves multiple projects or a monorepo, you'll see options to align the correct Supabase project with the right Vercel project. Simply review the prompts presented by the installer and proceed through them within this single installation step. A few quick tips while you're here. If you don't see integrations, check that you have the necessary organization permissions. If the Vercel screen doesn't open, make sure pop-up blockers aren't interfering. After installation, environment variables will populate on the Vercel side, helping preview and production deployments read the same configuration. For client-side apps, only the public anon key is used. Server-only keys should remain protected and never exposed to the browser. That's it. Go to supabase.com, click Integrations, and on the Vercel integration page, click Install Vercel Integration. With those steps, your toolchain is connected and ready for smooth, consistent deployments. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with a cleaner, more reliable workflow.